The journey to better health changed my life completely. A few years ago, I struggled with constant fatigue and inflammation that medical tests couldn't explain. Doctors prescribed medications that only masked symptoms without addressing the root cause. I felt trapped in an endless cycle of discomfort. Then, during a visit to my grandmother's house, I noticed something simple yet profound. She was brewing a peculiar tea that filled her kitchen with an aromatic fragrance. Curious, I asked what was in her cup. "Just bay leaves and green tea, dear," she replied with a knowing smile. "It's nature's medicine." Skeptical but desperate, I began researching this combination. What I discovered shocked me. This humble mixture, backed by scientific evidence, offers remarkable benefits without the harsh side effects of conventional medications. The power of bay leaves unveiled. Bay leaves aren't just ordinary spices sitting in your kitchen cabinet. These unassuming leaves contain compounds that work wonders for your body. Rich in eugenol, myrcene, and linalool, bay leaves function as natural anti-inflammatories that target the source of discomfort. According to research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, bay leaves help regulate blood glucose levels, potentially benefiting those with insulin concerns. The leaves contain polyphenols that support proper insulin function, making them valuable for metabolic health. Green tea's scientific edge. When combined with green tea, the benefits multiply exponentially. Green tea contains epigallocatechin gallate, EG, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals. This compound, according to studies from the National Institutes of Health, supports cellular health and slows aging processes at the molecular level. The catechins in green tea enhance your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Researchers at the University of Maryland Medical Center found that green tea supports healthy weight management when incorporated into a balanced lifestyle. The synergistic effect. What makes this combination truly remarkable is how these ingredients work together. Bay leaves' essential oils enhance the absorption of green tea's catechins, creating a synergistic effect that amplifies their individual benefits. This interaction, documented in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, creates a powerful wellness elixir. My personal experience with this blend showed noticeable improvements within just 2 weeks. Morning fatigue diminished, mental clarity improved, and those persistent inflammatory issues began to subside. The change wasn't immediate magic, but a gradual restoration of balance to my body's systems. How to prepare the perfect blend? Creating this powerful mixture is surprisingly simple. Place 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of quality green tea leaves in a cup. Pour hot water, not boiling, about 175 deg for 80 deg, over them and let steep for 7 to 10 minutes. The temperature matters significantly, as boiling water can destroy green tea's beneficial compounds. For enhanced flavor, add a small piece of cinnamon stick or a slice of fresh ginger. These spices complement the earthy notes while adding their own health benefits. Drink this tea twice daily, preferably mid-morning and early evening, for optimal results. Consistency is crucial. Like any natural approach, the benefits build over time as your body absorbs these beneficial compounds daily. Many people notice subtle improvements within a week, with more significant changes appearing after 2 to 3 weeks of regular consumption. Real benefits, no exaggeration. Unlike many health trends, this combination delivers tangible benefits. Regular consumption supports improved digestive function by stimulating bile production and enzyme activity. Digestive discomfort often diminishes within days of starting this regimen. Enhanced metabolic rate, supporting healthy weight management when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. The thermogenic properties help optimize your body's natural calorie-burning ability. Reduced inflammatory markers, as measured in clinical studies published by the Mayo Clinic. This anti-inflammatory action helps alleviate discomfort throughout the body. Better cardiovascular health through improved blood lipid profiles and circulation. The antioxidants protect arterial walls from oxidative damage that contributes to heart concerns. Strengthened immune response due to the antimicrobial properties of bay leaves and the immune-supporting catechins in green tea. This combination helps your body defend against seasonal challenges more effectively. mental clarity and cognitive support. Many users report improved focus and mental energy, likely due to the L-theanine content in green tea working synergistically with bay leaf compounds. Precautions and personalization. While generally safe for most people, remember that individual responses vary.